Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make cheese mashed potatoes. Start by peeling and cutting 2 pounds of potatoes into uniform pieces, then boil until fork tender for even mash. Drain well and return to hot pot so excess moisture evaporates. Mash with 1/2 cup butter, 1/2 cup milk, and salt to taste. Fold in 2 cups shredded cheese until smooth, then finish with fresh herbs and a crack of pepper. Pick the right potato for the result you want. Yukon Golds give natural creaminess, while russets make a lighter, fluffier mash. If you like a luxurious mouthfeel, use mostly Yukon Gold with a little russet blended in. Store potatoes in a cool, dark place and cut into similar-sized chunks so they cook evenly. Properly cooked potatoes make the difference between lumpy and velvety cheese mashed potatoes. Choose a cheese that melts well and adds flavor depth. Sharp cheddar brings tang, Gruyere adds nuttiness, and cream cheese boosts silkiness. Keep cheese grated and at room temperature so it blends smoothly into warm mash without clumping. Consider stirring in roasted garlic, sour cream, or crisp bacon for contrast. Taste and adjust salt, then top with fresh herbs to brighten every bite for an inviting side dish.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.